Imagine se aprofundar nas profundezas de uma floresta onde histórias ganham vida. Nesse vídeo vamos explorar os mistérios e os segredos de uma floresta mal assombrada, onde cada sombra esconde o enigma e cada som pode ser um sussurro do além. Nesse primeiro vídeo do canal Exploring with Angelo, onde ele desbrava locais isolados, florestas assombradas em busca de provas da existência do sobrenatural, Angelo decide explorar a floresta Aokigahara no Japão, uma floresta conhecida pelos inúmeros trágicos acontecimentos em que japoneses acabam indo até ela, mas não retornam. Ele decide passar a noite na floresta, mas acaba se arrependendo devido a acontecimentos paranormais.
And I can't hike properly while I'm holding this damn camera. It's just very difficult, and I need to go this way and get out of here as soon as possible. Now that we're ready to go back into the forest, the weird thing, I've been hearing some odd sounds. At some point it sounded like somebody out here spoke. Now basically where I'm standing is actually the parking lot, the entrance to the forest itself. Like, this is actually a tourist attraction. There's like this cave thing nearby. And also the creepy thing is, pretty sure at some point I even saw like a woman in a red dress just disappear literally like right across the road. It was the wildest thing. I don't know if there is a red light there. I don't know if like the color was just kind of doing something weird to my eyes. I have no idea. I also managed to figure out a way to make both of these bags stay on my back at the same time. It is extremely uncomfortable, but let's head back in and continue on with this exploration investigation. All right, we are now good to go. Time to head back into this creepy place. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to get the spirit talker rolling again. I do have my big light. It is still raining a bit. Just kind of annoying, but honestly I feel like I've been waiting forever to come back in, which I quite literally have at this point. It is now approximately just after 2 o'clock in the morning. And we are re-entering the Aokigahara forest. Again, I still don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but we're doing our best. I'm learning a little bit of Japanese as I go. This place, I don't know what it is, but I can tell you right now, just coming back in, it's a very uncomfortable feeling. Especially now knowing it's so late.
Ele adentra na floresta ouvindo sons, barulhos e murmúrios e segue mais fundo ainda, determinado a resolver esse enigma com sua lanterna e seu spirit box. Segue fazendo perguntas por almas perdidas neste lugar, só que ele não esperava o que iria ocorrer com ele nos próximos minutos.
At the same time, I have the app running again here. We already got a few words. Whenever, Sarah, the house, Alice, and thanks. The weird part is that as soon as I hit the record button on the camera, it stopped, but now it seems to be going again. I trust you. Okay. Well, that's good. Wait, what? Who's speaking? My name is Angelo. Okay, I just heard something like walk back there. I'm telling you guys, this place is on like a whole other level. Really active at this time. Earlier on the other side, that area freaking spooked me. I don't know what the... Who's speaking? It's asking again? Same person. Something just moved right next to me. What the...
We're family.
Okay. Something also moved back there. Dude, I don't like this place.
Here, it's here. My death was brutal.
Can you tell me how you died?
You've got to be careful.
I'm trying.
Phenomena.
What do I have to be careful of?
Death.
Death. Oh my god. What?
A girl was killed.
Okay.
Patty.
Guys, again,
Two ladies here.
two ladies here. Where are they?
She's coming.
What the hell? She's coming. Who is she?
Worry. My name is Lizzie.
Dude, this thing is non-stop. It's doing exactly what it did last time, too.
Cursed land.
Cursed land. Well, I could see that.
Strangled.
And actually... Oh my god, there's something there. What the f was that? What the f was that? I just saw something.
Many other souls.
I just saw two eyes. Please tell me that was an animal. I don't even know what kind of animals they have out here.
Samuel.
I need to switch hands for a second here. Here we go.
Listen.
What in the hell was that?
Edmund.
Yo, I am not liking this right now. I don't know what the deal is with this.
Dominic.
Well, we saw something there. Oh man, there's a bunch of them.
Angry.
What the hell? I don't know what those are. It's gotta be an animal.
Equality.
Let me get a step up here for a second. Oh, I think they're deer. I think they're deer. Oh dear. I can't quite tell, to be honest. I could see its eyes looking directly at me. What the f is that? No. That's not a deer at all. Oh, oh, oh.
1920.
What the f was that? Was that a deer or not? I swear to God. Oh. Oh no. What the f? What was that?
Alarin.
What the hell? Dude, it was a giant black blob. Shut the f up. Oh.
Anywhere. They keep secrets here.
What the? Okay. No. I need to stop this app for a second. I don't know what the f I just saw. I'm waiting to see if it like maybe comes out. Sorry I'm moving the camera so much, guys, but gotta put my glove back on. Holy crap. You know what? I'm gonna go back to the parking lot for a second.
Ele volta para seu veículo muito assustado e não consegue descrever o que viu naquela noite. E você continuaria desbravando a temida e misteriosa floresta Aokigahara? O canal These Dark Adventures mostra acampamentos em locais isolados e assombrados. Elas buscam comprovar a existência de criaturas que vivem nas florestas. Nesse vídeo, Dee acampa na floresta com seus 2 fiéis companheiros cachorros, porém não esperava o que aguardava naquela noite.
What was that? Oh man, over here. I'm all covered up. Mia likes to be covered up. I'm gonna read some scary stories while they chill out and I get them kind of calm down. I'll go back out, I promise. Let's see. Freaks in the Woods, 17 true story with scary encounters in deep woods, okay?
Ela decide ler histórias de terror, mas não contava com o que iria acontecer a seguir. Preste muito atenção.
Okay. How long is the story? It's not that long. Okay. My cousins live in North Dakota, and I spent the winter break there freshman year in college. We were at their friend's house at night, drinking in her basement with some other girls, and it was really... It was really late, like 3 a.m. I was falling asleep, so I decided to walk home. They live in a desolate area, with lots of snow and gets really, really cold, especially at night. Oh, you're scaring me. But the houses weren't too far apart. When the moon is out, it seems light out. I'm sucking. I'm scared, guys. Sorry. Not you're scared. The path we always take is straight behind the house through the wooded areas, then more open land, and I was Stop. Hey! Woo! La, 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 la. Ah! That's too fucking close, dude. No. She's nervous looking. Alright. This is a bad idea. Bad idea. Quit. Stop. Okay. Lay down. For the people, I'm going to show you real quick because you guys don't think I'm ever carrying. Ever. You guys, well, not all of you, but I'm just going to show you my magazine. I got me some hollow.
Hollowed.
I ain't playing. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a hollow point. I just
Whack.
Get away from me. If you're near my tent, please leave. I know. Fucking stop. Oh my god. Stop, please. Hello?
Dee olha ao redor, mas não consegue encontrar o responsável pelos barulhos e pela respiração pesada em que acabara de ouvir.
No, brother, one's going off. Okay. Whoo, doggy. I can't, man. This is too much for the nerves here, man. I don't, they're all around me. I don't think they're used to this kind of stuff. Like people coming out and being like, hey, how are you? She's coming out to see us. Well, let's rev her up a little bit. Oh, God. I'm breathing heavy, guys. I'm sorry. I know that sucks when somebody's going in the stupid thing, but I'm scared, okay? I admit it. I am freaked out right now. Any black? I don't see any. Brown moving. Wind's picking up. I don't even.
Day arruma suas coisas e vai em direção à sua caminhonete para ir embora, porém ouve alguém ou algo vindo em direção a ela, tomando um verdadeiro susto por algo sobrenatural e vai embora sem olhar para trás apavorada.
Absolutely not. I'm done.
Dee vai embora sem descobrir o que o assombrava naquela noite. E você consegue descrever o que Dee presenciou?